morning, Sunshine. Good morning, Tony. Let's have a clean and happy day. Brush, brush, brush. Let's make your teeth shine. Sparkly
Wash, wash, wash.
Bubbles clean everything. Bye-bye, germs. Bubble bath is fun.
Splash, splash.
Stay clean every day. I love clean clothes. Fresh clothes every day. Now I'm ready for fun. A neat bed looks great. Thank you, Tony. Sweet dreams tonight. Everything has its place. Let's make it sparkle. Thanks for putting toys away. Wash fruits before eating. Fresh is best. Thank you for keeping everything clean. A clean bathroom feels nice. You did a great job. See you next time. Helping keeps the kitchen clean.
Scrub, scrub, sparkle.
Thank you, Tony. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen.
Time to wash my clothes. Spin, spin, sparkle.
Clean clothes make everyone happy. Let's keep nature clean. Thank you, Tony.
Splash, splash.
A clean classroom helps us learn. Thanks for organizing us. Great job. Wash hands before eating. Clean hands keep us healthy. Good job.
Clean habits every day. Healthy, happy, hooray. Let's stay clean is so clean.
Great teamwork.
A clean home is a happy home. Challenge completed. Fantastic.
You're a hygiene champion. Congratulations, Tony. Thank you. I'll stay clean every day.
Hooray! Thank you, my clean friends. Keep shining every day. See you again.
Brush, wash, and stay clean every day. Healthy habits make happy kids.
See you on the next adventure. Goodbye.